only dying, I'm not wasting no more time. Don't think I could believe you.
It's important that you know a little bit of everything, because what happens now if, let's say that you work with somebody who does your specs and she or he cannot do it for some reason, then you're stuck. Or it's the same with grading. If you need somebody to do a grading for you and you don't know the basics, then you're stuck. It's the same with sewing. So you have to know a little bit of everything. It's very important.
Did you come up with the name Julian Chang from the beginning? Like, was that your brand name from the very start, or did it ever evolve and change?
Yes, so that's my actual name. And since I was doing bridal, always it's better to have, you know, a higher end. It's always better to have your own a name of a person so people can relate that to a designer. So that's how it started with my name.
Yeah, we'll be great. Don't think I could forgive you. And see.
Thank you, Julian Chang, for having us here.
Julian Chang.